So we're in a built-up area with lots of traffic lights and crossroads. So going to be lots of first gear, second gear, third gear. I've got a camera on my feet at this point, and we'll get some driving done. Getting out of here, so I'm going to clutch down into reverse, check that it's safe, and then holding the clutch, a little bit of biting point, just a little bit of gas to help it, taking me time, no rush, and then braking, lowering the clutch, pop it in first, check round, bit of power, bit of bite, hold it at the biting point for a few seconds, no rush, and then just taking me time, right turn and left to get out of here, and then just gently covering the brake, and then back on the gas. A left turn, mirror signal left, checking what's going on. I'm going to cover the clutch just in case. I'm actually alright, so I'm going to carry on going. So I was covering the clutch then, just in case I had to stop, back to second gear. So it's off the gas, clutch down, second gear, off the clutch, back on the gas. And we've got a road closure ahead of us, so I'm going to change lanes. So a lane closure there. Road ahead closed. This is a bit different. So I'm covering my brake, lowering the clutch. So I can't go ahead. I've got to go left, which is fine. I can get around this quite easy. So I'm on the clutch, and brake on, in first gear, waiting for the lights to change. So at the moment, on the right, and then it's going to be my turn. So I've got to be careful. You know, it's quite easy to forget that the lights are here. Here we go. A bit of gas, a little bit of biting point, hold it for a few seconds, and then the clutch comes off. Yeah, some more road works. Right lane's closing. Now I'm going to do a right U-turn and come back, because in a bit of traffic it's good practice for your clutch control. So we're going to check our emergency signal right, stay in this lane, and try and go round. Down to second gear, lift the clutch up slowly, cover your brake, it's clear, back on the gas. Going round the roundabout. Yeah, looks like I can't go that way, so it's fine. I'm going to do a U-turn, bring it round, mirror signal to come off, back to third gear, off the gas, clutch, back to third gear. Now ahead of us, we're going to go ahead at the lights. So I'm just slowing down for the traffic lights, coming off the gas, covering the brake, covering the clutch, lowering the clutch down, selecting a lower gear in case it changes on the approach, keeping my foot on the next point, into first gear, keeping a gap from the car in front of me. And I'm going to go handbrake neutral and rest for a couple of seconds, because I think it's the traffic on the right first before us. So I'm just kind of just waiting for the lights change. If you were not very quick at doing your gas and bite, then you might have to get it into gear at this point and start to get ready. But I'm going to wait. There we go. Clutch down, first gear, gas, hold the biting point. Don't try and keep up with the car in front of you, because all it's going to do is make you rush, and you'll catch up with him anyway. And then we're going to go in here. Mirror signal left, braking, bringing it round. See, I'm covering the clutch at the moment, just in case he suddenly stops, so I can brake and stop and clutch. I'm going to slow down, cover the clutch again. I'm going to go left into this car park. I'm just covering the clutch while I'm braking. I'm not pressing the clutch down, I'm just covering it, so my foot's kind of hovering on it. And I'm going to park up. So we're just going to follow it round into here. And we're going to do a forward bay park. The lanes are a bit worn out, but I'm getting there. There we go. And as I'm going in, lower the clutch down, use the brake to slow it down, straighten my wheels up. Handbrake, neutral. Quick one. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give it a thumbs up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a couple of videos on here for you now to watch.